Okay. So what is there? This is chapter number 4. Name of the chapter is there, Rat Trap, and the writer's name is there, Selma Lagerlöf. Selma Lagerlöf is a Swedish writer, means used to belong the country name is Sweden. Okay, whose stories have been translated into many languages. Whose means the same writer's story. Selma Lagerlöf's stories. She had written number of stories in her own language. Okay, but those stories are translated into number of different languages. Maybe in English, maybe in American English, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, and lot of languages. Her stories are translated. A universal theme. Okay, theme means one special kind of means texture, special kind of social color that is found in her stories. Okay, so universal means everywhere it is same. Whatever story she has written, everywhere you will find one kind of special theme in her stories. Okay, and run through means it is going from everywhere. All of them means as many stories she has written. Okay, in every story, the similar kind of theme is going. Clear? A belief. And what is that theory? See, a belief, there is a belief. Which kind of belief writer has? That you will learn. That means key. Okay. The essential goodness in human being. Human beings, human being means you can call that man. Okay. Here, directly man also, but generally in writing we use a human being. So what is there? In human being, definitely there is essential goodness. Okay, but sometime it is shown, sometime it is not shown. And writer has a belief that essential goodness in human beings can be awakened. Means suppose it is sleeping, it is not shown to anyone else. In that case, what we can do, we can induce it, we can make it alive. What we can make alive? Essential goodness in a human being through. And how we will alive, make it alive? Through understanding. Means if understanding between the person to whom you want to get goodness, okay, that body and you both would have understanding. In that case, this essential goodness will become alive, and even love. So overall, what we understood, that writer has a special belief that any person in the world, whether good is there or bad is there, if we understand that person, and if we try to make him miss his feelings, if we are able to understand his feelings and we are giving him love, in that case, whatever badness is there, that goes away and goodness come out. Okay, this story is a set. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, and the place where this story is written means place means what place is depicted in the story. What is that? Mines of Sweden. Okay, in Sweden country there are mines where used to be means coal and iron, other things are being means taken out from the ground. Okay, from that place this story is set. Set means here. Okay, check, there is a set is passive voice. Set has all three forms same, so that's why it's passive voice. And which is there? That rich in iron ore means mines were rich in iron ore. Which figure large? Okay, which figure the large in the history and legends of the country. So generally what was happening at that time, because at that time this was the only business which was profitable kind of. So the history was written around it only. Okay, means countries, legend people. Legend means the people who got a good place in the society, all used to belong to the mining. Okay, the story is told somewhat in the manner of fairy tale, and the whole story goes like a fairy tale. As na, some fairy came from the another world, and she did in the on the earth something, and everything goes on like this. So in this way, story is written. Okay. So overall, you already understood. Now you understood. So your turn is there now. Clear? So we are starting the story. First line is there. Once upon a time, there was a man went around selling small rat traps of wire. So there was a person who used to make rat traps with the help of wire, and he used to sell them in the market. And in this way, he was earning his livelihood. He made them himself at odd moments. Odd moments means when his situation was not good. Okay, he doesn't have money. In that time only he was making rat traps. So this is the phrase which you should learn. From the material he got by begging, and he used to make these traps by that material which he used to get by begging from others. Okay, in the stores, sometime they are found in the stores also, or at the big farms, or he used to visit different farms, and in the farms he was able to find anything, so he used to collect that, and with the help of those all things he was making these rat traps. But even so, means after this situation also, what was happening? Okay, his business the business was not especially profitable. So when he was making rat traps, he was going from here to there for selling it, but the business was not giving him much profit. Okay, very less profit was he was getting very less profit in his life. So he had to resort both begging and petty thievery, and that's why he was using resort means he used to come from one profession to another profession also. Okay, what was happening with him? He was begging, and sometime what he was doing, petty thievery means small thievery also he was making, means committing thieveries. So he was doing three things. First was there selling rat traps, second he was begging, and third was sometime he was stealing things of others. Why he was doing this thing? To keep body and soul together, zinda rehne ke liye. Okay, for being alive. So all these things he was doing for being alive. Even so, his clothes were in rags. Means after that also, means he was begging, he was selling, he was stealing. Then too, his clothes were not good. They were tattered. They were in pieces, and many places, okay, they were torn. His cheeks were sunken. Sunken means they went inside. Okay, as the means in as old people have. Okay, when their teeth are not there, so a cheek goes inside. Similar, sunken means deepen, and hunger gleamed in his eyes, and anyone can see by watching him that he is very hungry, because he was not able to get the proper amount of food as much was required to him. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond, and nobody can understand means which kind of life, which kind of tasteless life. Monotonous means which is tasteless, which is not enjoyable, means the life in which there is no enjoyment. Okay, and how this kind of life can appear to a person who is wandering from one place to another place. Vagabond means a person who wanders from one place to another place. Who plods? Plods means walks with heavy steps. Okay, who plods the road means who is wandering on the road and he is very tired, not able to move his legs, but still he is moving and moving. Left to his own meditations. Okay, and nobody is there to talk with him. That's why what is he is doing? He is left to his own meditation means he is listening to himself only. He is meditating continuously. He is talking with himself. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought. Okay, suddenly what happened? One day he got some ideas. Okay, some different thoughts he got in his brain. Okay, and he started thinking that what I should do, which really seemed to him entertaining, and these thoughts were giving him a lot of entertainment. They were changing his life. In this way, this condition was there. Okay, clear anyone? Everyone?